Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Glossier unboxing. I ordered a couple things from Glossier and I thought I'd show you guys what I ordered. So I'm going to cut it open with my mini scissors. This looks like this because I ripped the, I don't know what it's called. I don't know. You guys know what I mean, like where it says like the shipping label. I ripped the shipping label off. So it has the Glossier sticker. As you guys can see, I cut that with my mini scissors. And now I'm going to open it. This is a really small box because I didn't order a lot. But this is what it looks like when you first open it up. It says Glossier on the inside. And inside it has a little baggie. I decided to still get these because I use them all the time. I use them to store makeup, or sometimes I'll store like jewelry in these. So I decided to get another one. This one's smaller and it has the things I ordered inside. But before I show you guys this, I'm going to show you guys what else I got in the box. They came out with a new sticker. I didn't even know this, but apparently they did. This one's really cute. It's pink and green and it has little flowers on it. I would put this on my water bottle, but I don't have any more space to put it on my water bottle. So I'll put this on something else probably, but this is what it looks like. The back just is plain. Usually come out with different stickers all the time, but I just didn't know they came out with that one. And then I ordered the Glossier perfume sample. This is free whenever you purchase something. I always get this just to smell what the perfume smells like. I've gotten like the blush samples and all that kind of stuff, but I decided to get this one this time because their perfume actually smells really good. Now on to what I actually purchased. So the first thing that I purchased was this moisturizer, and this is the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I use this every day before I put on sunscreen in the morning, and it's one of the very few moisturizers that don't break me out. I have the one I had before right here, and as you guys can see, I needed to order a new one because it's all out. I even bent it, and it actually had more product right there, but yeah, I decided to order a new one, and this is what it looks like. It's a really lightweight moisturizer, and it just looks like that. I didn't mean to squeeze it out. It's okay. I'm not going to put it on my face because I already have moisturizer on, but I'll put it on my arm because I don't want to waste it. I really like this moisturizer, so I decided to buy it again. Then next up we have the Glossier Boy Brow. I'm really excited about this because I have not had the Boy Brow in a very, very long time because I ran out of it and then I didn't want to purchase just one thing, so I decided just not to order it. So yeah, I think this is my third one I've ever had. And it looks like this. I got the shade brown just because I like when it has a tint to it. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Glossier, the shade brown. They have a lot of different shades. I think they even have a red shade. But this is what it looks like. I got brown. I've been wanting to try clear, but I decided to get brown instead just because I have the Milk Makeup clear brow gel. Yeah, the packaging is really cute. It's really simple. There's not too much to say about these products because I have gotten them before, so I already know how they work. So if you guys want to try any of these products that I show you guys, I definitely recommend them because they're obviously good if I repurchase them. Okay, this is the last thing. Like I said, I didn't get too much, but this is the Lash Slick. I'm actually wearing it right now. I don't know if you guys can see. I ran out and I repurchased it. So here's the packaging. Lash Slick, and I like how minimal their packaging is. It just looks super clean. And here is the mascara. So it's this really cute pink packaging in the back, and then what I really like about this mascara is it's not clumpy. It has a super like light formula and it makes your eyelashes look natural, but you can still tell you have mascara on them. So this is what the brush looks like. I don't know, I wanted to smell it to see if it smelled like anything. That is everything I got. I got 3 things: the Boy Brow, the Lash Slick, and the moisturizer. This was just a short, fun little video. I thought I'd show you guys what I ordered. Comment down below if you've tried anything from Glossier, and if you have, let me know what your favorite product is. But that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!